Hello, my name is Yeet. I work for ABM and I'm gonna show you how to operate this machine simply. So, after this screen, we choose two and we press form. Then we choose the form, but the machine is in this position. So, there are certain forms that you can choose with the face grinding position, like this. Like this. So these are the forms that you can choose. These are the 4 forms that you can choose. I choose 3, I press set, then I choose 2, press set, and the values are added and they are saved by this button, and the name of the form is here, the one that I chose. At this position I turn this side uprights with this button. See, the screen changes like that because this is the top grinding position. I take it to 15 degrees, and after this I choose the first form. I press form button, then I choose 1, press set, then I choose the second one because I have a 300 diameter 96 teeth saw blade. Press 2, set, and I see these values. I can change this grinding speed to value to 10 because this is for the chamfer. This is the angular speed. It means that when the angle of the bevel is not 0, the speed is gonna be this. But when the angle of the bevel is 0, the speed is 5. The first one. So I can make the first one 8, the second one 10, because there's a slightly area difference on the top of the tooth. First one's area, flat one's area is a little bit larger than the chamfered one. So these are the values: number of teeth 96, bevel angle 45, usual, finger speed 40. It should be 40 always. So diameter is 300, in feet is 0.05. It's not necessary. It can be 0 right now. I can save it. Blade thickness is 2.2 millimeters. Top width is 1.5 millimeters. High-low difference is 0.3 millimeters, and that's it. After that, what we have to check is the distance of the wheel from this block. From here to here, I need to measure. From here, like this. So I turn the bevel, and I bring, and I bring, and I bring the caliper. Now, there's the wheel compensation value that we have to put in the machine. For that value, I press form, then I go to the setup menu, 1001. Press set, then I see this value, wheel compensation. It says 10, but I have to check it out because the wheel is gonna wear out over time. How I measure it is like this. And the value that I see is 9.6. It's about 9.6. So I put in the value, press save, set, then after that I take the bevel to 0 position again with this button. When I press the flat one, it turns to the flat position, but when I press the chamfer, here, it turns it one way or the other. So it's easier for me to measure the wheel compensation value. So I press this one to make it flat again. Then I put the saw blade on. Find the right bore, put it in from the front, then put the aluminum piece, this piece, and then put this one like this here. So when it's like this, I have to position the tip of the finger 1.5 or 2 millimeters lower than the tip of the tooth. So it should be a little bit inside, like this. This position is actually very good. After this one, I press the impulsor button. I press it again. Press it again. Push it, and then pull it backwards. I pushed the flat tooth. This one is the flat tooth. So this is the trapezoidal one, this is the flat one. This form, I start with the flat one, as you can see. So I have to move the bevel. In order to move the bevel right and left, I